not a cryptocurrency investor. That is true. Yes, मैंने भी तक cryptocurrency में invest करना start किया ही नहीं है. But that doesn't mean that I won't. I don't do it because there are a couple of reasons behind it. Let's talk about those reasons. And maybe शायद तुम्हें भी पता लगेगा if you should do the same thing which I am doing, or you should invest in cryptocurrency right now. First reason is cryptocurrency is very unstable right now. It literally depends on Elon Musk. His one tweet can change the price of any cryptocurrency. And जब तक कोई भी market is depending on one person, that will be unstable because that person is literally controlling it. Second reason is even if it is safe, I'm still waiting for a formal order by government. Yes, I am in India and cryptocurrency is not fully legal in India right now. And there are many conspiracies which are happening that government can ban it, it can adapt it. We are not really sure. और जब तक वो चीज finalize नहीं हो जाती है, I want to wait. That is just my perception. That may not be the case for you. Third reason is market cap is blind. Yes, I'm using the word blind because people are literally investing in cryptocurrency because everyone else is doing this, bro. Do you know where my money goes? No, tell me. It's cryptocurrency, bro. That is dope. I know, nobody talks like that. Okay, but you get the point. You are willing to invest in cryptocurrency because one of your friends have done it or one of your family member is doing it. That is how the market is working right now. And I really don't like that. I don't want to invest in one thing because everyone else is doing it. I want to invest in something because I want to gain profit out of it. And that is how I look at the market. I don't know about you. Your perception might be different. Fourth reason is the market is too risky right now. We have seen rates एकदम से high चला जाता है and next day rate एकदम से low चला जाता है. There is no solid research which anyone can do on cryptocurrency. We are literally hitting in trial on it, and I don't want to invest my money in something on which I cannot do any research. Like in stocks, I can look at the companies, I can look at their profits, and I can predict if the stock price is gonna go up or down, and then I can make a decision. But ऐसा cryptocurrency के साथ बिल्कुल नहीं है. You literally don't know what's gonna happen. Only Elon Musk knows. The fifth reason is, well, it's more of a question, not reason. Will it be widely accepted by the world? क्या दुनिया में हर एक बंदा इसे use करेगा? Well, my answer to that is yes, eventually it will become the mainstream currency. But that is not gonna happen in near future. It might take 5 to 10 years. I cannot predict that today. I can be sure about it, but I cannot predict it. So yeah, once I have the answer to that question, then I can think about it. क्या मुझे इसमें invest करना चाहिए या नहीं? But for now, because of these reasons, I'm not investing in cryptocurrency. But that doesn't mean you cannot. You can, and there are so many apps out there which you can use to invest in cryptocurrency today. I mean, I know people who have made thousands of rupees in a single day. But again, I don't play by those rules. That is completely my perception. And do not take my words for this video for your investment plan. You are the only one who is responsible for your money. I'm here only to help you. You should make the decisions for your money. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay awesome, be happy. KG's out.